Hello and welcome back to the lab, the place where magic happens. So today we are going to be unboxing the Swing Design 7-in-1 tumbler mug press. It came in 2 boxes. We ordered this directly from the Swing Design company. I would say it only took a few days to get here. We're up in actually west central Wisconsin. So shipping was very fast, so very happy with that. Box looks in pretty good shape, not all beat up. Like I said, it came in 2 boxes. I'm going to assume this is going to be the main mug press unit, and these are probably the adapters that go with it. So let's see what we get. Alright, not sure what this is. Like I said, this is kind of new to me, so we'll find out. Right off the top, it looks like we've got a couple different attachments. The different size mugs. And I'll get a little closer picture of all these once we get things kind of broke down. Got a power cord, always good to have, and the manual. Alright, and of course we've got lots of styrofoam. It's a good thing, keeps everything nice and safe. Oh boy. Take that off to the side. Well, I was kind of wrong, so I'm not sure what's in this other box. We'll find out shortly, but here is the main unit. Teal color, matches our other flat heat press. And a bunch more adapters for different size cups, mugs, you name it. This should do it. A little bag of little bolts. That's for when you interchange your sleeves here. Alright, off with that box. I'm not really sure what's in here, so let's find out. I thought it would be all the attachments, but they're all right there. You know, so Callie placed this order, and I'm assuming it was a kit because I didn't know this, but we've got all different kinds of mugs. So that's kind of a pleasant little surprise. Got a bunch of stainless straws with a cleaner, your heat tape, what we got in here. This is actually a surprise to me. I thought we were just getting the machine. So, kind of cool. Now we have some stuff to play with, so. It's like a kid at Christmas. Very cool. Now we don't have to wait to get started. We got some coffee mugs here. Got 6 of those. That looks like got a dozen of them. Alright, so I've moved this over on the table that more than likely this is where it'll stay for a while, just to kind of get a little closer view of it. So the unit itself isn't really big. It's nice and light actually. And it's got some knobs back here. That's for your pressure. And then I'm going to go ahead and take these out. And this is how you swap your, just these little screws like that. And you unscrew all these. Now, it's a little sharp of an edge, so be careful there. Not bad, only dropped one so far. Like I said, this is the Swing Design 7-in-1 tumbler, mug, heat press. Nope, almost dropped two. So I'm going to find this one. And then to change these out, these inserts just slide out. Now this one here, they have the electric or the power cord. It is screwed on to the unit. So I'm going to grab a screwdriver real quick and unscrew that so we're able to swap these out a lot easier. Right. So got this one out. Now they're all labeled, but some of them make sense and some of them don't. Like this one here tells you right on there, you know, it's a 30 ounce. That makes sense to me. And there's another one over here, it's 17 ounce. That makes sense. But then there's a couple here, actually 3 of them, that have like 90 to, see, there we go, 90 to 200. I don't know what that means. Another one that's 115 to 235. Doesn't make a whole lot of sense to me, but you know, we'll get it figured out. So if we want to change something, you know, let's say we want to do whatever size this is. So you just slide this in, and and then you just line up your holes, and then you'll take however many screws it takes. Obviously do this when it's cool, because you probably burn yourself. And I think what I'm going to do actually is I'm going to slide this more, a little further in. I don't really think it matters. And they definitely fit in there pretty snug. Alright. And looks like, depending on what size of template you're going to use here, or what size of press, you're either going to just have these 4 bolts, or those bigger ones looks like be 8 total. So here's 4. And then what you do is, I'll see if I can, there's a little power cord right here on the side. And then this has an adapter, or a fitting. It's just a 4-prong. Slides right in there. Tighten that up. Pretty simple process. Now I haven't turned this one on yet, so let's see what happens. First things first. This is a good sign, you got power. You know, I haven't heard anything bad about this company. We just chose this one because of availability, and there was enough reviews to say, hey, this is worth trying. So this is what we started with. So you'll stick a mug in the slot here, and then you just push this down, and then that'll lock it in. You'll set your heat, your timer here, or your length, however long you want to put it in there. And I can already feel, I mean, that thing's getting warm already. So while we're sitting here, I got the manual out for this one too, because kind of go over some of the specs. So this is a 110 volt, so in the US, just your normal power cord. You can do temp system, either Celsius or Fahrenheit. The temperature range is 0 to 430 Fahrenheit. Time range is 0 to 999 seconds. I'm not sure if we'll ever go that for that long, but I guess you never know. Temperature range is plus or minus 5 degrees. So you have to take that into account. And then, so this is the sizes that this one comes with. In a conical, you got a 1.5 ounce, 12 ounce, 17 ounce. And then in the cylindrical, you got 6 ounce, 11 ounce, 15 ounce, and your 20 to 30 ounce combo. So that's that for now. Like I said, that happy little surprise where I got that box came with all the extras that I didn't know anything about. So I think probably next day or two we're gonna throw some designs on and press a few things and see how they turn out. So if you like the channel, go ahead and hit subscribe if you want to learn more. Like I said, you'll be learning right along with us because this is a new adventure for Callie and I, and kind of a new addition to the lab. So yep, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and we'll get some more content out in the next couple days, and we'll see you then.